We have a Blue Baron 45 SC installed. And what's the make of this model of this truck?
2017.
2017
Transit.
Transit, okay. And it took us a little bit because we had to take all the rubber flooring out and the underlayment. It was a lot of work. They had shelving in here, so we had to take all that out. Came out really nice. It worked out better as a rear mount because this is an extra skinny model van. So it actually worked out really good this way. As you can see, we have our pump out right there. Tank is right there. I mean, it just came out really nice. There's a lot of room, still a lot of room in this van. As you can see, nice straight on connection from the inlet to your blower, from your discharge of your tank. Got everything nicely connected up. I mean, this is really a nice connection. We got our pump out over here. We got our inline filter box. Look at that baby there. Look at that nice orange color. It's beautiful. All right, here we go. Just came out really nice. Really happy with it. We got the clean out here. It makes it real easy to clean out in case you end up sucking up jewelry or anything like that. And it just, for all purpose sake, for lint and animal hair, pet hair, there it is. And it took us a few hours because we had to take out the matting and everything else, so it was a lot of work. I would recommend, if you're going to have anything installed, get rid of the rubber matting if you're going to use those fasteners that we use with the blind fasteners that we sell at truckmountstore.com. So at any rate, this is it. We'll make it any color you want. Just let us know. This is an orange here. This guy really loves the orange. It just came out so beautiful, this orange. But either way, we'll make it whatever color you want. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Thank you.